to be solved quickly, we will just underline the same number, like 0.5 plus 0.5, that is equal to 1. So this is 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8. So our t sub y is equal to 8. Now for the final step, let's compute and let's use the formula that we have discussed earlier. We had discussed earlier this formula. This. Okay. So we will use another paper. For you to see that I am really using this formula. R of S is equal to, what is our N? Our N is 14 because we have 14 students. What is, so 14 squared, because that is N squared, minus 1, 6, minus the summation of D squared. What is our difference squared? Summation of difference squared. That means we will add all of these numbers here, and that is equal to 7.5. 1 plus 2.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.25, and that is equal to 7.5. So that will become minus 7.5 minus, what is our t of x? Our t of x, as you can remember, is 0.5, and our t sub y, t sub x, by the way, t sub y is equal to 8 all over the square root of, what is our n? Our n is 14. 14 squared minus 1. Very similar to this. So here, the difference is just we subtract 2 times t of x, which is 0.5. And then multiplied 14 squared minus 1 minus 2y, 2 t sub y is 8, right? This is over 6. So that's what we are going to solve to find the answer and to know if the values of our problem is, the variables are positive monotonic, negative monotonic, or doesn't have monotonic relationship at all. So to solve this, we will use a calculator for us to be fast. So we will use calculator. We, as per PEMDAS, we first calculate what's inside the parentheses. It has brackets in it, sorry. So inside the parentheses is 14 squared. So what is 14 squared? That is equal to 196 minus 1 equals 195 times 14 . 2730 divided by 6 is 455. So this will be 455 minus, so minus, oh no, 455 minus 7.5 minus 455 minus 7.5 minus 0.5 minus 8 is equal to 439. As you can see here. Let's proceed to the denominator. The square root of 14 squared, 1416 minus 1 equal to 195 times 14 2730 divided by 6, that's 455 minus 2 times 0.5, that is 1. Multiplied by 14 squared minus 1 times 14 divided by 6 minus 2 times 8, that is 16, right? So minus 16, that equals to 439. So basically 455 minus 1 is 454 times 439. So 439 multiplied by 454 is equal to the square root of 199,306. That is equal to the square root of 199,306 is equal to this 446.4370056. So 439 divided by 446.4370056. So let's divide. 439 divided by 446 446.4370056 is 0.983341422. That's our final answer for approximately 0.983. Therefore, to interpret this answer, the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient is approximately 0.983, reported to 3 decimal places, which is the standard in statistics to ensure precision and consistency. This value indicates a very strong positive monotonic relationship between research activities and career readiness. So that's all for this video. Thank you.